Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am presenting healthy chocolate chip cookies. Before I start with this healthy recipe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In a bowl, add half a cup melted ghee and half a cup jaggery powder. Mix this well for about 5 to 7 minutes. And in the place of jaggery powder, you can add sugar powder as well. And in the place of ghee, you can add butter. Because it is a healthy recipe, I am adding ghee and jaggery powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract and combine all these 3 ingredients together. Next, add all the dry ingredients starting with 1 cup whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup cocoa powder. In the place of whole wheat flour, you can add all-purpose flour or Maida. Add 1/4 cup milk. Mix everything together. Once the cookie dough is ready, let it rest in refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take small portion of dough and roll into a ball and flatten it. And top them with chocolate chips. Take a pan, brush it with olive oil and place a butter paper. Cover the lid and preheat for 10 minutes. Pan is hot now. I am placing the cookies. Let the cookies cook for about 20 minutes on medium to low flame. That's all about today's video. Hope you enjoyed this healthy recipe. Do try and let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes. Keep smiling, take care, bye bye. See you on next video.